here watching this video, that probably means you're experiencing some physical pain right now, which I'm sorry to hear, but luckily this EFT tapping will help alleviate at least some of that. And no worries if you've never done EFT tapping before or don't even know what those letters mean, I will guide you through everything you need to know, and basically you just lightly tap on different areas of your body and repeat a few things after me. This works with the energy system in your body. It is very similar to the energy meridians for acupuncture, but instead of puncturing them, we're just gonna lightly tap them, and this works on a subconscious level to help your body naturally heal whatever is hurting you at the moment. So to get started, I need you to identify what your number one pain spot is in your body right now. Maybe you have multiple ones going on, but I want you to identify just one, either the most painful or the one that causes you the most discomfort in your day. And don't worry if, like I said, you do have multiple parts in your body that are hurting. This tapping will help with all of them, but it's a lot easier to tap if we just focus on one area. So pick that one, and then I want you to give it a number on a scale of 0 to 10. 10 being the worst pain you have ever felt in your life. It's excruciating, can't handle it. And a 0 being, this is the best it's ever felt, completely pain-free, feels like it's brand spanking new, it's phenomenal. So pick your pain and then give it a number 0 to 10. Cool, got it? First, I'm going to give you a really quick rundown of the tapping points just so you kind of know what's going to happen, and it'll make it flow a little bit easier, and then we'll get into the real thing. So to start, we tap lightly on the karate chop point here, and you're just gonna repeat the phrase that I tell you. Okay, we're gonna repeat it 3 times, and then we're gonna go to the top of the head, right about where my headband is. And then above the eyebrow, and then the side of the eye, and then under the eye. And again, this is just lightly tapping under the nose, maybe about 5 to 7 times. And we'll be repeating a phrase. Again, don't worry about memorizing these parts. I'm just showing you them now. So your collarbone, your brow line, about maybe 2 or 3 inches below your armpit, the inside, like nail edge of your pinky, inside of the ring, right on the nail, inside of the middle, index, thumb. And then the last point you need to know is called the Gamut. It's right here between your ring and your pinky finger, about halfway between your pinky knuckle and your wrist, so right about there. That is all the tapping points. Again, don't get overwhelmed. I'm going to walk you through each of these and literally guide you through all of it. So don't need to worry about that. But before we get into the actual tapping, I just need you to take a few deep breaths. Just get centered and relaxed in your body. So go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Let it go. On this next inhale, I want you to imagine you're breathing into your heart space. And breathing out from your heart. One more deep breath in. Feel it in your heart and let it go. Okay, let's get into the tapping. For this tapping, I'm just going to say my body in general for pain. I want you to insert whatever body part you identified is causing you discomfort in where I say that. So for example, I'm going to say, even though my body hurts at the moment, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Instead, you would say, even though my wrist or my back or whatever it is. And every time you hear me say my body, you're gonna say that body part on you instead. Cool? Cool. Okay, let's dive into it. Even though I have this pain in my body, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have this pain in my body, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have this pain in my body, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. My body. My body. this pain in my body. My body. My body. This pain I'm feeling in my body. 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 Okay, for this next portion, we're going to tap on that Gamut point I talked about 50 times. I will count. I just want you to imagine a white light going to wherever that body part is that is hurting. Imagine a white light covering it, healing it, cleansing it, whatever it needs to do. So close your eyes and imagine that as we tap on this spot. Okay. It's gonna be 5 taps on the collarbone. And now we're going to go into something called the Gamut series. Again, I will lead you through it. So we're going to tap on that spot right here again. And I want you to take a deep breath in. Let it go. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Look down to your left. Back center. Look down to your right. Back center. Circle them in one direction. Circle them in the other direction. Now hum the first few bars of Happy Birthday with me. Count to 5 out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want you to count backwards from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, hum Happy Birthday. Okay, deep breath in. Let it go. And we are going to just tap on this point again for 50 times. Imagine that white light going to whatever spot is painful in your body. And then we're going to tap the collarbone 5 times and we will be done. So close your eyes and imagine that white healing light going to wherever it needs to. Taps on the collarbone. Okay, deep breath in. Let it go. Hopefully, after all of that tapping, you are at the very least feeling more calm and connected to your body, and hopefully experiencing less pain as well. So I want you to go back to that body part that was bothering you prior and rate it again on a scale of 0 to 10. 10 being the worst, 0 being the best. And compare it to where it was when you first started this tapping. If it is at a manageable number that feels good to you, awesome, go on with your day, enjoy it. And if it doesn't feel too great yet, if it's still maybe at that higher range of the 0 to 10 scale, feel free to do this tapping a second time and also pay attention to that pain rating throughout the day. Sometimes EFT tapping isn't immediate and it takes a little while to see the results of it. So maybe rate yourself for the next few hours and see how it changes. I hope this tapping was helpful for you, and if you would like a customized tapping and to work with an EFT tapping practitioner, leave a comment below and I will send you all the information on that. I hope you have a magical and pain-free day.